Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. For this week's video, I'm going to be showing you what's inside my FX makeup kit. The kit that I have is a Seya brand makeup kit purchased off of Amazon and gifted to me for Christmas 2 years ago. It's been on several jobs with me, and it's still in great shape. It has a top section and a bottom section that each have several compartments. And underneath the bottom section, there is an empty space where I like to keep various things. Because it's easily accessible, the top section is where I keep most of the stuff that I use more often. Starting off in my first section, I have two Kryolan powder foundations, lip colors, a colorless face powder and two character powders, a translucent powder, a bone wax, and nose and scar wax, spirit gum from Ben Nye and Graftobian, rigid Collodion along with liquid latex, Ben Nye burn and bruise wheels, Vaseline, and a cream foundation. Eyeshadow palettes ranging from Sugarpill to Wet n Wild, individual Sugarpill eyeshadow compacts, two powder puffs that I have not used, Skin Illustrator palettes, a water activated paint palette, an eyeshadow palette, and a tooth lacquer palette, mascaras that I use on clients, a lip stain, two more NYX lip colors, and 3 jumbo eye pencils, along with an e.l.f. face primer. I have a skin prep, sprayable brush cleaner, another brush cleaner, makeup remover, and the pump that goes to the larger brush cleaner. Moving on to my bottom section. I have my fancier bloods that I use personally on myself, along with fillable capsules, a color tattoo eyeshadow, and eyeshadow applicators, a pink and red cream eyeliner along with a random e.l.f. bronzer. I have a NYX eyeshadow palette that has had quite a bit of love, Halloween store nose and scar wax, and some Halloween store character powders, all of my sparkle dusts, a white Ben Nye foundation along with 3 Kryolan aqua colors. In the bottommost section of my case, I keep lashes. Not a big fan of lashes. Cotton rounds, cosmetic rounds and wedges, baby wipes, Halloween store blood, along with a mustard bottle for the blood, all of my rubbing alcohol, stippling sponges and regular sponges. Next up is my BH Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, along with an e.l.f. palette that I got when I first started makeup. And of course, more blood. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for a new video every week, usually every weekend. I hope to see more of you here next week. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!